Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner. It says, let your microwave do the work. It is awesome. Okay, check out my microwave. It's disgusting. I created it this way just for the purpose of this review, so don't think that I have my house filthy. Okay, coat the inside with the cleaner. Super easy.
Ew.
Set your microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll do 1. Sit here and wait. Okay, microwave's done. Open it up. Yes, it still looks dirty. But guess what? It can just be wiped clean. Super easy to do. Just wipes off. When is it so easy to get a microwave clean? Especially with burnt on food. It's really hard to do one-handed, so I'm not going to clean off the whole thing. But as you can see, you just wipe off the grossness. You know how even this dried on stuff comes right off. Okay, I'm going to break something. You get the point though. Let me pause this, clean it, and show you the end result. And voila! Clean microwave. Super easy to use. Zep Microwave Miracle is one of the easiest ways I've ever found to clean a microwave. And there you have it. I received this product free for testing and review purposes. All opinions are 100% my own. Thanks for watching.